this is Travis from TUGS. Hey, we're about to get ready to jump into a logo for a customer. We are doing a heart logo. Of course, you have to do it in mirror. I already have it drawn on canvas or on the burlap now. So what we did, actually we did one already, but we had some problems with it because this right here is supposed to look like a brain. So as you can see on here, it is a brain. So let me show you the one that we did last time, and let's walk through maybe like some corrections that we can get through. All right, so here's what we did last time. In here, so what we did wrong on this one here last time is we put black where black is not at. So we got black on there, and the black don't need to be in there. We just need reds. We just need to keep the reds going, and then the brain part right there, we need to put some lines in there because it's not, nothing's not popping out showing that it's a brain. So of course I'm gonna do a time lapse. I'm gonna do a time lapse of this video, so we can see the finishing of the new rug. So let's get to this thing. Let's go. And just like that, people, man, look at the difference, man. Look how great that came out. Putting those lines in there, give it some definition, man. So make sure, man, if your stuff come out how you don't want it, just maybe add some lines or something, you know. It bring out the definition of the artwork. I didn't do that last one, but I did have to fix it. So, but yeah, that was the last one there. Had no definition in that brain part. The black had to go, you know, had to put just more of a darker gray, you know, just put all grays in there. I had to do the dark gray, the medium gray to the light gray, and then I did three different reds to kind of give that shading, as you can see. Yeah, so yeah, that's it there. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, man. I will have more time lapse coming on this channel. So, hey, follow us on IG, Instagram at TUGS_Rugs. And then you can also follow us on Facebook with just tugs. Alright. Hey, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, please just leave a comment at the bottom. See you on the next rug.